Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorials. In this video, you'll learn how to localize bulk signature requests sent via WhatsApp so recipients can receive and sign documents in their preferred language for a faster and smoother experience. Tired of sending documents in the wrong language that slows down your signing process? No more confusion or delays. With BoldSign's localization feature for WhatsApp bulk sends, you can deliver documents in your recipient's preferred language instantly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll see how this feature makes global communication seamless, accurate, and efficient. BoldSign's localization feature allows you to send bulk signature requests via WhatsApp in the recipient's preferred language. This ensures that every signer receives the document message and eSignature alerts in a language they understand, improving turnaround time and user experience. BoldSign currently supports 20 languages for global communication. WhatsApp notifications will also be localized based on the signer's selected language. These include signature requests, document expiration warnings, document deletion warnings, manual reminders, and signature completion notifications. This feature is perfect for businesses operating in multiple regions or serving clients who prefer WhatsApp communication. Now, let's look at how this feature works. Imagine you're a sales manager sending a contract to multiple German clients. They prefer WhatsApp delivery and signing in their native language, and you already have a database with their details. You've also translated the contract into German. First, log into your BoldSign account. You'll need a template configured for WhatsApp delivery and set to the recipient's specified language. Let's create a localized template with the required delivery. Click Create New and select Create New Template. This takes you to the Prepare Template page. Enter the template title and description in their respective fields. Upload the translated German document in the Add Files section. In the Add Recipients section, define the signer's role. Expand delivery options and select WhatsApp as the delivery method. The template will now require the recipient's name and WhatsApp number. Next, specify the signer's preferred language. Click the language drop-down and select German. This means that if the template is used to send requests to signers, all notifications will be translated into German, and the signing interface will also appear in German. Then move to the document section and enter the document title and message in German. Review the remaining sections and click Next to go to the Configure Fields page. Place the required form fields on the document. Once done, save the template. The localized template is now ready. Next, let's create the bulk send. Go to the dashboard, click Create New, and select Create New Bulk Send. On the Prepare Bulk Send page, click Browse Templates and choose the Save Localized template with WhatsApp delivery. You can preview the document, but since I'm confident it's correct, I click Use. The template is uploaded, and the options to download a sample CSV and upload recipient data are displayed. The role defined in the template is automatically displayed in the recipient section. This role and its assigned language cannot be edited or deleted. Next, I need to upload a CSV file containing recipient details. If you already have a CSV file, you can upload it directly using the Upload Recipient Data CSV button. In this case, I haven't prepared the file yet, so I start by downloading the sample. Click Download Sample CSV File. This file is structured based on the selected template. Since the delivery method is WhatsApp, the CSV will require each recipient's WhatsApp details. I add the client's details such as name, country code, and WhatsApp number. Then save the file. Upload the save file using the Upload Recipient Data CSV button. If the format doesn't match the downloaded sample, an error message will appear. Once uploaded, the Verify and Import CSV dialog box will appear showing the total number of recipients. If any details are incorrect or missing, you'll see an error message. If all recipient details are accurate and properly formatted, click Import to proceed. After a successful upload, you can preview the file if needed. To review the form fields in the document, click Preview. This opens the document preview page where you can view the setup. Once everything is confirmed, click Send to send the documents in bulk for signature. The bulk send is created successfully, and WhatsApp signature requests are sent to all recipients in their specified language. Stop wasting time worrying about language barriers. With BoldSign, one localized template keeps every client experience smooth and professional every single time. Try it right now. Create your first localized template and send a bulk WhatsApp request today. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more BoldSign how-to videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more BoldSign tutorial videos.